In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video AI workflow in Magnific AI Mobile. We'll walk through the exact taps you need, plus a few tips so your results look great on the first run. Start by opening the Magnific AI app on your phone and make sure you're signed in and connected to a stable network. From the home screen, look to the bottom navigation and tap Flows. Flows are guided setups that chain prompts and settings for consistent, repeatable video output, so you don't have to rebuild the same process every time. Next, choose a category that matches your goal. Branding, social media, and more are available, and open the one that fits your project. Templates in each category are tuned for that use case, so reading the short description helps you pick wisely. Tap Start, then select your model and continue. Different models balance quality, motion detail, and speed, so if you're prototyping, pick a faster option. If you're finalizing, choose a higher quality one your plan supports. You'll be asked to choose Look 1, Look 2, and Look 3, then continue after each choice. These looks are style presets that shape color, texture, and pacing. If you see Look 4, treat it as an optional layer. Use it to push the style further or skip it to keep things clean. Continue to the format screen where you'll choose aspect ratio and duration, then run the flow. Match the ratio to your destination. 9:16 for vertical stories and reels, 1 for feeds, 16, 9 for landscape. Keep duration aligned with platform limits and your message. Rendering can take a little while. If processing is busy, let it finish. When your output is ready, go back and tap Work at the bottom to view your result. From there, you can compare runs, note what worked, and if needed, revisit your model or looks and run the flow again for refinements.